So your website is stuck in maintenance mode, huh? And you can't even access the WordPress backend of your website. Let's get that fixed for you. Okay, so before we get started, just know that we need your login details to your cPanel hosting account, because in order to fix maintenance mode, we need access into your WordPress installation files themselves. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the screen that we normally are met with in maintenance mode, and as you can see here, it's just stuck in maintenance mode, and no matter how many times I refresh it, it's just stuck. There's nothing happening here. And if I try access the backend, I'm presented the same screen. This site is truly stuck. So in order to fix this, we're going to go into cPanel and we just have to delete one file. Now I know it sounds scary, oh no, we're going to delete a file from our website, but you don't have to worry. This file's sole purpose is just to put the site into maintenance mode. So here in our hosting cPanel, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the file manager. Once the file manager is loaded, what we're going to look for inside our public HTML folder is for a file called .maintenance. Now over here you can see there's a file here called .maintenance. If you can't see your .maintenance file, all you have to do is go to the settings in the top right, you click that button, and a new pop-up opens up. Here all you have to do is make sure that show hidden files is enabled, and then you click save. And then you see that your .maintenance will definitely be there. Once you see the .maintenance file here inside your public HTML folder, all you have to do is say right click and say delete. You can confirm it, and that's it. It's done. Your website will now definitely work. When you find that .maintenance file, all you have to do is delete it, and then your WordPress website will be running as if nothing ever happened. So here in the WordPress website, you can see that the window hasn't been refreshed after deleting the .maintenance mode. All I have to do is reload this, and you'll see that now the website is working again. Okay, and that's all you had to do to take your website out of maintenance mode. So as long as you had access into your cPanel, then there's definitely not a problem that you're going to encounter. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. This stuff makes a big difference to my channel. If you have any questions, then leave a comment down below and let me see what I can do for you. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.